Josh Ryan here. We got the train coming. Let's check it out. Here we go. It's coming. It should be there in about 5 minutes. What could it be? There you are. I found you. R143 should be there right there in any minute. Let's find out. Let's see what it'll look like. Wow, beautiful train horn sound. 5418. Excellent. What a beautiful train horn. Also wanted to look alright. Every 16, 14, or 11. Wait a minute. Today's date is 19. Same section 316, 19. Same section 5418. East on the main line track. Clear. Columbia out. 5418. Yep, that's what we're looking for today. That's gonna be the end of the train, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. And there goes the end of m316-19. Westbound mixed freight train. It came from the Parkersburg, West Virginia Parkersburg yard and headed towards destination to the Grafton, West Virginia, where the terminal is the Grafton Yard in Taylor County, West Virginia area. Hey man, appreciate the comments down below. Told what you think about the mixed freight train on this 5418. What's the train horn sound look like? Alright guys, that's all for now. We'll see you next time. This is Josh Wright. Out.